Ding ding bell, school is near, but something spooky appears right rear. Mummy, zombie, witch and more. Knock, knock, knock on the classroom door. Step, 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 what a sight. Spooky school, but feels alright. Kitty walks into school today. Books and chairs are ready to play. But suddenly lights go flicker-a-glay. Something moves behind a sticker. Spooky, spooky, who is there? Funny friends are everywhere. Mummy walks in all uptight, but he waves and says good night. Kitty laughs, you look so funny. Mummy shares his lunch and honey. Step, 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 don't be scared. Spooky school is everywhere. Skeleton clicks his bones. Zombie groans in funny tones. They try to write on classroom board, but letters fall and hit the floor. Ding, 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 spooky fun. School with monsters is #1. Witch flies in on broom so fast. Sprinkles glitter all at last. Books start dancing in the air. Kitty claps without a care. Spooky, spooky, what a show. Magic school is fun, you know. Dracula comes with big smile, but he just wants to stay a while. He drinks juice, not scary blood, and joins the fun with everyone. Step, 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 dance and play. Spooky school is fun today. Ding, ding bell, school is fun. Spooky friends for everyone. Mummy, zombie, witch and all. Kitty school is the best of all. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Whoop, roost's not there. Oh no, 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 something's wrong. No rooster morning song. Meep, meep, meep. Farm is quiet, no alarm yet. No rooster voice to wake the farm yet. Sun is up but lights feel low. Everyone whispers, where did he go? Kitty yawns, this is strange. Farm feels like it lost its change. No cock-a-doodle, oh so low. Farm forgot how mornings go. Beep, beep, beep. Rooster tries but no sound comes then. Beak opens, he shakes his head. Tries again but voice is gone like morning rain. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. No cock-a-doodle, nothing dares. Rooster voice disappeared in air. Kitty jumps, don't worry now. I will fix this, I know how. She checks the barn, looks left and right. Even asks the wind at night. Wind says maybe he's just shy. Kitty smiles, let's try, try, try. No cock-a-doodle, nothing bare. Finds the voice, let's find it slow. Kitty finds a tiny seed. Rooster swallowed while he ate feed. She laughs, oh I see the case. Voice is stuck in tummy space. Rooster looks so super sad. Kitty says, don't feel bad. Oh, 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 mystery found. Voice is hiding underground. Kitty brings a magic tea. Drink this slowly, trust in me. Rooster drinks, gluck, gluck, gluck. Then suddenly, Huga hug. Yolk stuck, cock-a-doodle. Morning sound is on the track. He memos wake with happy cheer. Morning sound is loud and clear. Meep, meep, meep. Kitty smiles, problem done. Rooster shines like rising sun. Cock-a-doodle loud and bright. Farm is happy day and night. Light, 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 light.
I feel so down.
Light. Now cock-a-doodle loud and bright. Farm is happy day and night. Now cock-a-doodle rooster voice to wake the farmer. Sun is up but lights feel low. Everyone whispers, where did he go? Kitty yawns, this is strange. Farm feels like it lost its change. No cock-a-doodle, oh so low. Farm forgot how mornings go. Meep, meep, meep. Farm forgot how mornings go. Rooster tries but no sound comes. Slap beak opens, he shakes his head. Tries again but voice is gone like morning rain. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. Meep, meep, meep. Morning sound is on the track. Meep, meep, meep. Dino roars but not so strong. Something feels totally wrong. Crack, crack in his teeth today. Oh no, 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 what's the way? Help, 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 what to do? Dentist Kitty is coming through. Dino opens mouth so wide. Ouch, 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 he cannot hide. No crunchy food, no happy bite wet. Even grass feels not right. He shakes his head, I feel pain. Big dinosaur eyes might tell the day. Teeth are hurting very slow. Dental beep, beep, beep. Titi arrives with happy lip wreck. White coat on tiny chair. Not worry Dino, I'll take care. She checks the teeth one by one. This problem will soon be gone. Kitty, Kitty, on the way. Fixing teeth today. Brush, 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 shiny clean. Now he feels strong, bone smooth. Kitty gives magic mint glow. Now your smile can really show. Brush, 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 all okay. Fixing teeth today. Dino tries one crunchy bite. Hey, wow, it feels just right. He jumps, he roars, he plays again. No more pain, no more pain. Kitty claps, mission done. Lick smiles like rising sun. Crunch, 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 happy now. Shows no strong, shows you how. Big bright smiles they cannot hide. Toothbrush shines, sparkle skeletons were stealing eggs at night. They grabbed the eggs and ran out of sight. But Kitty woke up with glowing eyes. Hey, stop right there! She shouted in surprise. One got caught, poof, he's gone dead. The rest ran fast before the dawn. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, "Hi, Dad. No more skeletons stealing eggs tonight." Four skeletons came back again, thinking they could steal like vengeance. But Kitty was ready, quick and smart. Not in my farm, you can't take part. One slipped away with a funny fall. The others ran away from it all. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, "Poor thing, stay away from this farm tonight." Three skeletons tried once more, sneaking quietly near the door. But Kitty jumped with a magic sound and made them vanish all around. Kitty said, "This is not your place." They ran away in a silly chase. Inspector came and clearly said, "No more stealing eggs tonight." Two skeletons came super slow, but Kitty said, "No, no, no." One got scared and ran away fast. The other didn't even last. No. Inspector arrived with warning light. Keep the eggs safe every night. One skeleton was stealing eggs alone, but Kitty was strong like stone and pool. He saw her and started to flee. "No more eggs for me, I'm free." Kitty didn't even need to chase. Peace returned to Kitty's place. Inspector came and closed the case. All eggs safe, no more race. Eggs are safe, the farm is fine. Kitty did an awesome shine within, with happy meows and morning lights. No more stealing eggs
Almost got 'em all.
tonight.
Into the basket.
Diddy and Dino ready to play. Hide and seek the counting way. Numbers hiding, where can they be? Let's find them. 1, 2, 3. Count, 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 come along. Hide and seek number song. Rib Mr. One, Mr. One, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near one little tree. One jumps out, happily. Mr. Two, Mr. Two, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near two tiny shoes. Two pops out with funny moves. Mr. Three, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hiding near brain, buzzing bees. Hannibal Gurshel-Bone. Mr. Four, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near four funny fogs. Four jumps over logs. Mr. Five, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near five shiny stars. Five waves from afar. Mr. Six, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Here I am, 6 silly sticks. 6 plays magic tricks. Mr. Seven, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 7 balloons. Taven sings funny tunes. Mr. Eight, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 8 top cakes. Melba does silly shakes. Mr. Nine, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hiding near 9 toy cars. Dine Zoom super Hiding near one little tree, one jumps out happily. Mr. 10, Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Hiding near through tiny shoes, 2 pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, where I move, Spider-Man 1, 2, 3. Hiding near through buzzing green, hide on wall or shoot owl. Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Hiding near 2 tiny shoes, 2 pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hiding near 4 funny stars, hide face from afar. Mr. 6, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Hiding near 6 silly sticks, Sticks plays magic tricks. Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Hiding near 7 balloons, and sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. 7 sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, where are you? 20 and lucky old